Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I welcome you to Army Public School PMA Resource Network. Before we start today's lecture, don't forget to subscribe this page and click on the bell icon to receive our upcoming videos well in time. In our today's subject English language, we will study emojis. Okay students, before going into the details of the topic, we will see the sequencing of today's session. So, we will see the details of the history of emojis. Then we will see where we can use emojis. We will also go into the details of the importance of emojis, and we will see different mindsets of the people about emojis. Origin of emojis. The word emoji actually comes from two Japanese words. E means picture and moji means a character. So emojis were first used in Japan. The idea first came from the signs used in weather maps. This was the first emoji used in Japanese weather maps, and it means sunny. Japan has also used faces in its comics showing different emotions. So students, we came to know that emojis find their origin back into Japan. In this slide, I am going to tell you two new information. First is, in 2015, Oxford Dictionaries named the face with tears of joy as emoji, and it was known as the word of the year. Yes, it's quite unique that the word emoji was declared as the word of the year in 2015 because Oxford Dictionaries also started using this word. Second information is that 17th of July is celebrated as World Emoji Day. Yes, 17th of July. Now let's see importance and usage of emojis. Most of us use emojis to tell others how we are feeling. But emojis don't just describe feelings, they are also used to show animals, tools, food, flags, country, nature, and different objects as well. So today, we often use emojis when we send text to make our message more clear. One advantage of using emoji is to save time by avoiding writing long text. So emoji are wonderful experience to use, and it has become a common practice nowadays. Now let's see what do different people say about emoji. Today, some teachers and parents are worried because students use emoji when send text messages. They fear that students won't learn to write well because they depend on pictures too much. However, most communication experts don't agree. They say that when we speak, we don't just use words, we also use our faces and bodies too. So when we send text, it's natural to use emojis to make our messages clearer. So different people come up to emojis with different perceptive capabilities. Hope so you would have enjoyed studying emojis. So now is the time to check yourself. Read and listen to the text messages. Choose the correct answers. So students, here are some text messages. You have to read these messages carefully and choose the appropriate emoji which is describing the same feelings or emotions which are written in the text messages in bold. Dear students, I would like to conclude today's session by saying if your text include emojis, it would be excellent. Thank you so much.